Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Decor. In this channel, you will see some awesome, fancy, and outstanding decoration ideas for your home. So before starting this video, I would like to give you a reminder. If you are new to my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to watch my previous videos. Thank you. In this video, I have bring you some epoxy resin wall clocks designs for your home, and hopefully everyone will love these designs. These epoxy resin wall clock designs are very unique and outstanding. All my viewers are gonna love these designs. So that's it for today. I will be back with the new decoration ideas very soon. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Take good care of yourself and family members. Allah Hafiz.